It was a sunny afternoon in the Kootenays, and too late in the day to put in some runs, so we decided to hike into camp to get first dibs on the mountain in the morning.
So we made it to camp. We've flattened out a spot for our teepee tent. We're going to be setting it up right here and see how it goes. Ollie helped us level the area. John's just tamping it down now. So on this trip, we're using the MSR Wind Pro 2 stove. We tried this out in Ontario before we brought it out to the backcountry here, so we know it will work in these conditions. Yeah. Alright, get that. How's your side?
That's it, we've just got to fix the tree now. Get the line higher and then just readjust.
Yep. We have our shelter set up. The teepee tent that we tested out when we were back in Ontario. Should be big enough because we used 2 trees to put up a ridge line and then hooked it up to that, so there's no central pole. Took a little bit longer to set up though. As a reflector.
Yeah, no, I got the idea. I think it's smart. Stop that wind blowing it all over the place too. It's kind of a 2-for-1 deal, you know. I guess my down's not going to puff up too well in this cold weather either.
Did you put them on?
No, I just pulled them out so they could inflate. Maybe we should use our packs out. Tempting.
After a few runs, it was time to pack up our stuff and head back down the mountain and prepare for our next adventure.